Alright, now we're about to transfer the exhaust manifolds. This is a 2017 Jaguar XE supercharged. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the exhaust manifolds now. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and use the new gasket. Put the customer in my hand as hard. Gotta make sure you use the correct side from the left to the right. Of course. Please excuse my mess. What I do is I check for fitment first before I put it on. Of course, you're gonna need one bolt to line. I call it the liner bolt to line it up. And now it's all lined up. Go ahead and install it. See that? I told you guys, fitment. I still don't know how this goes. I don't know everything. You know how many times I put this thing on and took it off now? I might need instructions.
He went on television to push back on the trades. They're looking at some of the risks and uncertainties associated.
Okay, you ate your food?
This policy action. What I think they're not doing is
eat your food.
The risk of not acting.
Okay. Now it's time to remove the fuel rail, to check the injectors, and to see if we need to swap any injectors out. While we have the engine apart, it's best for us to remove the plenum now and swap out the gasket from the plenum, since it's all the way deep down in the center of the galley of the engine. Before installing the new gasket, we want to make sure we clean the surface off very well. So what I do is I take a blade and make sure that there's no debris or no extra remaining gasket on the actual surface area. No. Buddy, I'm busy. You wanna go inside? Cause Daddy, look, I'm doing something. Let's go through the choices that the Fed has. Now that the engine is fully assembled, we're gonna go ahead and swap out the flex plate.